Transposition, or changing from one key to another. Well, in transposition, you take a melody and you change its scale or key. It makes another note scale degree 1. And it's like saying, hey, that's too low, can you play it in D major? And so you take that same melody and you play it not where you were playing it, but in D major. Now you need to keep the same intervals when you do this. All whole steps still need to be whole steps, all half steps still need to be half steps, and so on. And you also need to keep the scale degrees. What was scale degree 1 in your old scale is going to become scale degree 1 in your new scale. And you need to use accidentals to transpose melodies to different keys. So here's Frere Jacques. Bum 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 ba da dum bum 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 bum. And the numbers here show how many half steps the melody is ascending or descending. So to go from C to D, you go up 2 half steps. You go up a whole step. D to E, up another whole step. And then E down to C is two whole steps, or 4 total half steps. Now let's start the melody on D and see how the intervals would look. Well, now, while D going up to E is a whole step, plus 2, E going up to F is only a half step. It's plus 1, which then screws up the descending interval, because F down to D is only 3 half steps. So these intervals aren't right. The melody's not going to sound the same. It would sound bum bum ba dum bum bum ba dum bum 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 bum. It has a different quality to it because that F is only a half step above that E. That F should be a half step higher than it is, so that E proceeds up a whole step and then falls down 4 half steps. And we can make this right. We can make the intervals line up by adding F sharps, because F sharp is 2 half steps above E and 4 half steps above D. Now the melodies will sound the same. Both of these will sound like Frere Jacques. We can also accomplish the same task by figuring out the scale degrees in the key of C and then using those same scale degrees in the key of D. So Frere Jacques is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And in C, scale degree 1 is C, scale degree 2 is D, scale degree 3 is E, and so on. But in D, scale degree 1 is D, scale degree 2 is E, scale degree 3 is F sharp, and so on. And so if we transposed that melody to D, we could just take those scale degrees and plop them in their correct places. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 becomes D, E, F sharp, D, D, E, F sharp, D, and then 3, 4, 5 is F sharp, G, A. And the melodies now again sound the same.